Hello, painty friends. Gretchen Fleener here from paintertainment.com and the Glitter Glamper, coming to you from my basement studio store. I thought it'd be fun today just to give you a little tour of my glitter tattoo kit. I know we all like to check out each other's kits and get ideas from each other, and I just kind of revamped my glitter tattoo kit, so I thought I'd give you a little tour. So this case is just a case I bought at a Goodwill. Stripped it out, the dividers and things that were in it, and then filled it up with what I need. So on the back I put some metal from a whiteboard. That's my favorite thing to use to magnetize my kits, is an old whiteboard. So you can get whiteboards at thrift stores, garage sales. Pop the frame off and you can peel the white thin metal right off. Most of them you can cut even with the scissors or a tin snip, but I glued metal in there and then put glitter adhesive back vinyl over that, so it looks pretty and sparkly and will hold everything with magnets. So I've got all my glitters up here, all attached with neodymium super strong magnets I get on Amazon. I think I have a link to them on my paintertainment.com site under links. And then I glue everything with E6000. I never have problems with things coming apart with that glue. So these little tiny pods have all my standard glitters. I'm now incorporating some Glimmer Body Arts ultrafine glitters, and so I just put magnets on those. So all of this is just stuck on with magnets. I've got Velcro in the edges here, so even this light is purely Velcroed. So I have a stand I can stick it in too if I want to move it around, but that sticks up there with Velcro. I've got hand sanitizer here, again with Velcro. A little blingy ribbon and LED lights inside just for fun. I have an extra little mirror here for when you do a tattoo like on the back shoulder and you need a second one to be able to see it, to show the client. This is all again in with magnets, so I've got these little magnet marker holders. I think they're advertised as marker holders on Amazon, of course. I think they're designed to hold whiteboard markers. I've got two of them, but they're just the right size for my glues, and they just stick right up in there. This is a cool little brush holder. I've got this one Velcroed because I have Velcro on the bottom, but it just has these little rubbery fins inside, so you can stick any size tool in there and it will fit. So all of this completely comes out if I want to rearrange or change anything. All magnets and Velcro. Ooh, I like magnets because I can clean them easier, and I feel like Velcro can wear out sooner. Like the fuzzy side will get loose over time, so I try to do more magnets than Velcro. But this holds just my pen. I've got some other tools here, scissors if I need to trim a tattoo or something. And over here I just have some loose things, my little fan, brushes, some festival glitter. So I have my cotton pads here for cleaning the skin before we put the tattoos on, and a little pump bottle of alcohol that goes along with that. All of these kind of fold up in here when I close it. A mirror, of course. I also put magnets on this so I can stick it up here if I have less glitters in my kit. This little rack I think is made for alcohol inks or essential oils. I might have a link to this on my website as well. It's perfect for holding my glitter bottles. I like to have both pots to use with a brush and poofer bottles for my tattoos. And then I actually like to use my Paint Pal sponge bag for these cotton pads when I'm done with them. So it's kind of like my little trash bin when I'm not. I have other ones I use for my sponges when I face paint, but I like how small this just rolls up, and I can hook it on my handle here or somewhere else on my kit while I'm working, so that it's out of the way. And then my tattoos themselves, I have in these card files. I got these boxes at the Container Store, and they're made to connect with other size bins and boxes. They have a lid here, which the lid isn't super great and secure, but you could take that off and put it on top when you close it up if you want. I put it on the bottom, and then I bought business card dividers. You can get also on Amazon. I did have to add a little height to them, so I glued on some glittery paper so that they would stick up past my tattoos. But in general, all my tattoos so far fit within this business card size, so it works great, fits in here just right. It's always magical when you find something that perfectly fits your strange thrift store box that you've purchased. So that's the inside, and I've got a little battery pack here for the LEDs. And that's my new kit. I can't wait to try it out in its first gig here coming up in a couple of weeks. But it all closes up and packs down nicely. I also have this fun little unicorn dragon pouch, also from a thrift store. It has my mask and some other little stuff in it. But I'll show you how this can all pack up. Up here, I've actually put the fuzzy side Velcro on the top edge of my case as well, so I can stick things up here like this business card holder. And so I can put my glitter glamper cards in there, my Paintertainment cards. If I'm working for another agent, which I also love to do, I can take my cards out and put theirs in there, and nothing is branded so that I can use this for anything. This little sign I just made at home and laminated, and these are all Velcroed as well. These are little photo holders, also from the thrift store. You can tell, one of my favorite pastimes. But all this comes down, folds in, and you can just, these I would probably put in my pouch before I close it up, but you can see it all just packs right up into one handy case. And there you have it. It's my new and improved glitter tattoo kit. If you know me, you know my kits never stay the same for very long. I'll probably have a newer and improveder one soon, but that's what I've got. I hope I gave you a few ideas. I'd love to hear your ideas as well for how you organize all your stuff. Feel free to leave some comments. I love to learn and share with my fellow artists. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.